I think the coolest stuff is probably like the jumping and the action kind of stuff.
Sometimes James likes to be in front of the camera a lot, but I'm cool with that. Totally James' thing.
Honestly, I don't really like photo shoots, but luckily I have 3 other guys who are just as crazy as me.
We're a team, also known as a band.
So we laugh a lot to get us through the day. And of course, it's always fun taking crazy pictures, so that's how we do it.
Okay, so they make smiling for the camera look easy.